I want to give you a clear message today about the European Yoga Association. I want to say that I no longer recognize or support the ECGA in any way. They are not connected to me, my family, or official Dongguan Zhaogao Tonglong system. I also want to make something very clear about Chris Butler, known as Kai Feng. He was never appointed by me as a disciple, a teacher, or an official of Zhaogao. He was never organized in Wafu, Qigong, or anything from me. His route was only simple, administrative, and managed, held to the association, nothing more, and never had permission to speak for me or claim representation for the system. From today, I officially remove my flag, any title, or any honors that were connected with him or with the ECGA. Anyone who continue to use the ECGA name or say they are not the member of the ECGA is not recognized by me or by the official Dongguan Zhaogao family. I want to say, Chris Butler, his name in Chinese not 喬峰 is a 區峰，唔係喬峰，佢冇橋，佢絕對冇橋，係冇功夫嘅，係叫區峰，唔係喬峰，你啲人唔好搞錯。同埋咧，佢乜嘢都冇跟我學到，乜嘢都冇跟我學到，只係得到我兩支旗，我而家取消佢呢個兩支旗嘅效用，所以佢乜嘢都冇跟到我嘅。請外界唔好誤會，佢乜嘢都冇嘢跟到我嘅，係咁多啦，多謝。
班馬騮啊，都係完全因為鬼嘢。喂，咁你唔好意思喬